Sir, papaiksi natin. Huwag na tayong papaikot-ikot dito. Sinasabi niya, dahil sa poor quality, kasalanan niyo dyan sa PCSO, nag-hire kayo ng contractor na palpak. Okay? Hindi na kasalanan ng mga betos, hindi na kasalanan ng mga outlets.
Posible umanong madaya ang resulta ng loto. Ayon sa isang opisyal ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office o PCSO, sa isang public hearing sa Senado. Sa hearing ng Senate Committee on Games and Amusement nitong Huwebes, inusisa ni Senador Raffy Tulfo kung posibleng palabasin na may nanalo sa loto kapag nagsabuatan ang mga may hawak sa root access ng loto system. Agad namang nagpaliwanag si Robles na malabong magkaroon ng ganitong senaryo sa bola ng loto ng PCSO, na kung saan ay si Robles ang isa sa mga opisyal na may hawak sa root access. Pero, biglang pumiyok ang PCSO executive, na posible daw umanong magkakaroon ng dayaan, o kayang manipulahin ang root access.
Sinaida Salvador, sir. I'm Sinaida Salvador.
Ma'am Sinaida, kayo po ay may-ari ng outlet?
Teller po lang.
Teller. Okay, ano po yung problema na na-encounter niyo po doon sa cancellation, ma'am?
Beside po dun sa human error,
Opo.
yung sinasabi na machine,
Opo.
thermal, printer, at saka yung sinabi ko dun sa loob ng scanner, loob ng glass scanner.
Ano po yung scan, ma'am?
Yun po yung, para siyang glass, na yun siya yung nagbabasa ng taya ng customer.
Ano pong
ng
problema
taya
dito?
yung sa card.
Ano pong problema doon, ma'am Salvador?
Minsan po nagbabasa siya ng ibang amount, ibang ng draws, nagdo-draws kahit katulad dito po. Ito. 6,700 siya. Nag-draws siya eh. Ito yung sa mga GC po ng aking
So, nagtaya po siya.
System 9 po to, sa Lotto. Kaya nga po ang
Okay, alam ko, meron 16.6, System 7, System 8.
hanggang
Ang
System
tinayaan
12
niya,
po. System 9.
hindi, alam ko hanggang System 8 lang.
System 12 po. Hanggang System 12.
Sorry, okay. Sorry, tama. System 6 to System 12. Doon sa hindi pa nakakaalam, dito ba tayo ng loto, pwede kang tumaya na hanggang 12 numbers, 12 combinations. At kapag nakuha mo any of those 12, alin noon, panalo ka. So, sige pa, anong problema doon sa systems?
Ito po kasi System 9 ang taya ng customer.
Uh-huh.
Ngayon, yung sa pagpasok niya ng card, nag-3 draws, kaya naging 6,750. Ngayon, walang extra pera yung customer. Hindi niya mabayaran.
So, umalis na lang siya? Okay. So, abono ka? Okay. Now, kasi yung System 6, iba yung presyo noon. System 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Iba-iba po.
Okay.
May
Kasi ako nakataya na ako. System 12, tumaya ko ng 12 numbers eh.
18,000.
Almost 20,000, right? So, yung System 9, 6,000 sana yun. Lumabas 6,000, pero samantalang tinatayaan lang niya anong system?
Ano po ito eh, ang System 9 is 1,800.
1,800.
1,860.
Ano bitaw?
Nag-3 draws kasi siya.
Nag-3 draws.
Nag-3 draws.
1,800 times 3. Opo.
Wait lang po.
Okay. So, Mr. Robles, so hindi po kasalanan nung teller maging nung better, machine error. Siyempre, umalis na lang yung better kasi wala siyang perang gano'n. Paano natin maiwasan yun?
Mr. Chair, for background, we have researched na ang policy pala in the IRR, Implementing Rules and Regulation, is that the agent will be responsible for the cancelled tickets. Meron po kami rito, we dug up.
Kaya nga po, the agent will be responsible. We have to change that IRR. Kasi in this case na sinasabi ni Ma'am Salvador, hindi niya kasalanan. Nilagay niya nung better is, nagtaya siya ng System 9 for 1 game lang sana. Tama po? Pero nung mag-spit na yung machine ng ticket, lumitaw doon na 3 games siya, which is 3 draws. So, magkano pong System 9? Magkano po yung System 9? Magkano po? Anong laro po itong pinag-usapan natin?
Ano po ito? 642.
642. Magkano po yung System 9 sa 642? Meron ba tayong ano dito, ticket? Ganun mo lang sa likod, nandun eh. Hindi. Iba-ibang presyo eh. 642. Okay na. Ganito na lang po. Sige, nahirapan si ma'am. Wala kang dalang ticket mo dyan? Wala? Baka sa bag niyo, may wala. Okay, magkano? Magkano? System na. Sa likod lang yung titingnan eh. Ito na. Oh, titingnan. Ako na sa amin ko. Oh, sa likod. The System 9 is 560. Tama? 655 to eh. Ha? Okay.
Mr. Chair, is the same. All right?
Okay. So, System 9 is 1,680. Tama po.
168.
Okay, 1,680. Yun ang tinayaan niya, Mr. Robles. Kaso, nung lumabas na sa machine, times 3 kasi sa lumilitaw, pinalitaw na machine na 3 draws siya. Samantalang 1 draw lang intention niya. Wala siyang dala. Magkano ba yung... Kupit niyo naman dyan. Magtrabaho naman kayo. 1,680 times 3. Agad-agad dapat play pa yes. Ito, mathematician. 1,680 times 3. Ha? Dapat bilisan niyo yan dyan sa likod. Baka po kayo ba't mabagal kayo?
5040.
Okay. Dapat pag nasalita mo, napapalo kayo. Okay, 5040. Ang pera lang niya is 1,680 pagkakaintindi ko. So lumabas is 5040, 5,040. So naturalmente, itatalikod siya yung method kasi wala akong pera. Ang pera ko lang dala is for one draw, 1,680. So ngayon, nag-abono si ma'am ng 5,040. Yun yung reklamo ng napakaraming teller na it happens. Hindi lang yung kumisa sa print, di ba? Mali.
May mga instances po na yung mga customer, so sabi niya, tataya siya ng ganito. Diba, ang amount ay 300. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung wallet ko, babalikan ko na lang. Ang problema, minsan yung iba hindi bumabalik. Na sino-shoulder na rin namin yun.
Yan, medyo naintindihan ko. May sinasabi si Mr. Robles, yung may nagigirila, pinabangga, ata,
Nilalabanan po.
nilalabanan. Okay. Yung mga wala akong dalang pera, medyo konting questionable yun. Pero yung mga honest to goodness na mga mistakes, yun dapat ang tatalakayin natin dito. So, ang ibig sabihin, may nakausap na ako dati, Sencoco, na mga bettors, ay mga outlet owners. Magkaroon dapat ng window na for them, yung outlet, to cancel. Magkaroon ng ilang minuto, at least 3 or 5 minutes na, okay, nagkamali itong machine, of course, hindi mo babayaran to dahil mali, kakanceling ko, pipindutin ngayon niya from her end. So therefore, hindi na siya mag-abono.
Yes, Your Honor. There is one existing din naman pong window. We will revise that para lang pong maiwasan lang po namin yung kasing ang nakakancel sa nakita, what we found out, ang nakakancel lang karamihan, which yung 2 and 3 digit lang po medyo may indication po yun that there is something happening. Pero ongoing naman po yung review namin. In fact, talaga kung may window yan originally, except hindi niya po na-address yung ganong klaseng cancellation na hindi naman po kita sa iba. I mean, hindi po across the board. Kaya we will review that. Si AGM Arnett po is charge of gaming. Kasama po sa recommendation namin, we will revise paano po maiwasan lang po yung kasi po kung machine, ang question po sa aming discussion, bakit po 2 and 3 digit lang ho ang balak ng nakakancel? Mas mahirap po yung 4 digit at saka 6 digit. Kaya yun ho ang aming dinidiscuss. And we agree there are legitimate naman po na cancellations.
Yun po gawin niyo ng paraan. Kasi in this case, yung kay Ma'am Salvador, 642 yung pinag-uusapan. So hindi na po yung sa 2 digits. So that is something na kailangan magawa nyo ng paraan, baguhin yung inyong system nang sa gayon, ayoko nang marinig na mag-aabono pa itong mga pobre teller natin. Malit na nga lang sweldo, mag-aabono pa. Ma'am Javier.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to add also na sometimes po it's not naman the machine itself, yung pong printing, yung pong thermal, sometimes the ticket comes out po punit na. So may problema po talaga tayo dun sa thermal din at saka dun sa ginagamit po na playslip. No? Sometimes po kahit
Sino provide ng thermal?
I think po PCSO
Okay.
does.
So, Mr. Robles, bakit po yung thermal low quality? Tama ma'am, low quality is the right word?
Yes.
Eh, ang laki-laki na kinikita, plus sa price reserve fund.
Baka
By
naman
the-
po,
by the
baka naman
business
po
day.
handling. Baka po handling naman. Baka din naman po handling. Kasi hindi naman ho ka-widespread yung ano namin yung mga observations nila.
Ma'am Javier, handling daw or poor quality talaga?
No, we never had a problem kasi po before with our payslip. Nagkakaroon po kami ng shortage. Pero kasi ngayon super nipis na po yung yung piniprint ng PCSO.
Okay, yun, sa next hearing, gusto ko po patawag COMSEC, yung thermal provider, and then we have to inspect their, the quality of their product, and then ibabangga natin yan sa mga third party na mga thermal provider to make sure na it meets the general standard or global standard
Thank you, Mr.
na pareho sa ibang bansa. Kasi yung sa atin siguro baka very super low quality. So gawin natin excellent quality para mapalitan natin. Who is the provider of the thermal, Mr. Robles? Saan po natin kinukuha to? Sino po ang kinontrato natin dito? And may I see the contract?
We acknowledge AGM, Batyan.
AGM, who's the provider of the thermal na palagi pala pumapalpak at very low quality, sabi ni Ma'am Javier.
Yes,
And I need to see the contract.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. We have recently conducted a public bidding for the thermal paper, and it was awarded to a private contractor,
And his name is? The name is?
DTM Philippines, if that's...
You provide us on the next hearing the copy of the contract.
But previously, Mr. Chair, we have a supplier through the government printing facility, that's Apo Production.
Apo Production.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So yung before and ngayon, yung ngayon present.
Yung po ngayon, we'll check if the deliveries have been made for those. Pero na. Okay.
Okay, Ma'am Javier, present ba o hanggang ngayon meron pa rin kayong problema sa thermal o yun noon?
Ngayon po.
Ngayon.
Before kasi wala po kaming problem talaga doon
So ngayon ka ng problema. Okay. So yung doon sa present na contractor ninyo, I need the name and I want him present next time. And then tingnan natin yung kontrata and then we have to visit his facility. Tingnan natin baka mamay ito house siya, baka may sa isang garahe lamang ito. Naman baka yung mga papel galing lang sa pinupulot-pulot sa tabi-tabi, pinagdudugtong at anyway, I'm just...
Chairman, on the same topic.
Yes, sir.
Ang nakuha ko from Attorney Patyag is kakoconduct lang ng bidding. So, definitely, itong time period na rinireklamo ni Mama Beer and her organization, Apo Production ang nabanggit ninyo, previous supplier ninyo. Okay, pero that's a printing something, so that means you authorize Apo to purchase or procure the thermal paper for you. Ganun ba ang nangyari?
No, Mr. Chair, under the rules, the government printers may print the thermal paper, which is considered at that time accountable form. Or,
Produce the thermal paper.
yes,
Bale.
they have their own printing
Okay,
facility.
so that means kung low quality nga ang papel, they are sourcing it somewhere. So we have to, so Apo, Mr. Chairman, Apo Printing or then sino yung nag-supply ng papel? Hindi naman siya nag-produce ng papel eh. Oo. Siguro may marks, nagawa siya ng mga watermark doon or whatever.
Yes, there are security features.
Security features.
Required.
And si Apo ang nagsabi siya naggawa nun.
Yes,
But of course, the papers, procure niyo yun sa ibang provider, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, there are suppliers.
Atrasan natin to, pakita natin. Kasi baka paulit-ulit lang din eh. We
Kaya nga, tingnan natin yung contract and then tingnan natin yung...
makabangga tayo ng pangalan ngayon, pero yan na nandito naman din sa new provider na. So, kailangan makita natin to lahat, Mr. Chairman.
I-provide nyo sa amin AGM nung SEC
And Apo, Mr. Chairman, if we can make them appear next time, dito.
Yes, yun nga po.
Apo.
Senator Coco.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So para masiguro natin
Okay.
na maayos yung integrity.
Mr. Chairman, to go to the quality of the paper.
Go ahead, Senator Coco.
Pag-draw natin today, made winner, ilang years bago niya maklaim at mapaso na yung kanyang pagkapanalo?
1 year po yun.
Napakaikli niyan, di ba? Maikli or in some other jurisdictions, ganyan din kaikli ang mga lotto games nila.
I think nasa charter po yun, yung period of claiming, nasa charter po ng PCSO.
The law? Says it, the law.
Opo.
Can you cite the law? Can you cite para ma-check lang po namin? Okay. Ngayon from the experience, lalo na yung siguro, ang ating mga tellers, siyempre may mga ating mga operators, how soon nag-fade na yung mga nakaprint doon sa papel? Oh. I'm sure after 1 year, wala na siguro yun. Yung jackpot ticket yun, hindi mo na mababasa yung mga numero na andun. From experience po, ma'am, zero. Rep, akalam na ni Ms. Salvador to as the club sa president.
Yung dati po yung orange, yun yung pinaka maganda yung ano niya, print. Matagal siya mag-fade.
Okay.
Tapos
Orange.
meron yung pink.
Okay.
Yun yung parang naranasan ko na medyo madali siyang mag-fade. Pero hindi naman siya naabot ng 1 year. Ng mga 6 to 7 months. Tsaka siguro yung iba, depende sa handling ng ticket nila.
So ano na yung currently, orange or pink ngayon? Kung bumibili ng mga ticket, are we in the orange pa? Panahon ng orange o pink na?
Pink na po ngayon.
Pink na tayo ngayon. So nakita na. Nakita na, di ba?
Excuse me sir, may point of clarification lang po ako. Yung kasi nung nakaraan, di ba sinabi na 9,000 sales out of 14,000 cancellations. Para pong imposible naman yun. Yung cancellation po kinukuha sa sales eh. Paano magkakaroon ka ng 9,000 sales tapos ang cancellation 14,000? Another point of clarification is yung...
Okay, stop right there. 9,000 sales, 14,000 cancellations.
Yes po.
Can you explain that, Mr. GM?
So what we found out was that there were 9,000 cancellations, pero ang sale is only 6,000. Yan po ang kaya nag-check sa amin.
What we heard last hearing.
We will show you po the report on that para hindi na po tayo magkamali. Tsaka po anong outlet po. We can, Mr. Chairman, we can furnish you yung nakita namin na yun.
Okay, magpapasigil mo si Senator Coco.
Tsaka may member pa ako sa GC ko na
Sa tayo
21,000.
ma'am, bago ko makalimutan. So, nagpe-paid yung numero, sabihin natin nag-paid yung numero in 7 months. So, kapag nag-paid na, valid pa rin ho ba yung winning ticket na yun? Kung paid na lahat ng numero, granting lahat ng numero wala na. Pati yung tawag yan, serial number. Kasi nga, poor quality ng paper. Naging blanco na yung ticket. Ano mangyayari? Kasi sinabi niya 6 to 7 months.
Mr. Chair,
Palit pa yung ticket, kung burado na lahat, pati yung serial number, pati number, and all. Granting, ganun nangyari.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. So, ang policy ng PCSO, allowing 1 year to claim yung price. Ngayon po,
Kaya nga po.
yung ticket po, sir, we have constant reminder na they should keep it kasi sabi nga po nung teller kanina na proper
Sir,
Yes.
papaiksi natin. Huwag na tayong pa-bullshit, sorry. Paikot-ikot dito. Sinasabi niya, dahil sa poor quality, kasalanan niyo dyan sa PCSO, nag-hire kayo ng contractor na palpak. Okay? Hindi na kasalanan ng mga betos, hindi na kasalanan ng mga outlets. Ngayon, 6 to 7 months daw nagpe-fade. Paano kung halimbawa na-paid na talaga lahat, hindi na mabasa, and then itong nanalo, pumunta sa inyo after 8 months, totally paided na. Hindi naman rigged halos. I-claim niya, talagang legit naman talaga siyang winner. Sabi niya, sorry talagang ako yung winner, ito talaga, may ebidensya ako, tumaya ako, may picture pa ako, kasi alahan ko, etc. Pwede pa ba siya makaklaim na hindi niya makasalanan? Kasalanan ng kinuha ng palpak na contractor ng thermal paper.
Sir,
Sir, pakisagot lang.
pag hindi po mabasa yung ticket, definitely,
Sorry na lang.
terminal, Kasi ang requirement po namin
Kaya nga,
to claim,
sir, bakit kasi-
mabasa ng terminal.
so, yung
Pag
sinasabi
mabasa,
ko-
sir,
Kaya nga. So, wala na.
hindi po ma-validate, hindi po namin mapapasa.
Exactly. So, ano ang solusyon niyan? Na for 1 year, matibay, nandun pa rin yung mga numero na hindi siya magpipay. Na mababasa pa rin. What is, ano yung mga safeguards nyo na binabalik nyo kanila ISO, kung ano pa man yan, to ensure na hanggang 1 year, yung integrity ng ticket nandun pa rin, mababasa pa rin, readable pa rin, the numbers and all. Anong safeguards? Meron kayo? Yes, sir. Mr. Casas.
Yes, sir. Dapat, sir, we should have, meron kaming good quality nung thermal paper.
Exactly.
Several voting
Exactly.
units.
Isa ngayon, very poor quality. Eh, sino kasing Poncio Pilato dyan sa PCSO na ito yung kinuha na contractor na super low quality?
If I may, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kasi, sir, nasa tropical country tayo, mainit, humid ang ating environment.
So, before you ask for provider na magsali sa bidding, pero dapat diba pre-bidding and post-bidding
Yes, sir.
procedure na ginagawa nyo. Sana, chinecheck nyo yan to ensure na kaya yung magpaprovide, kaya niya panindigan yung integrity ng kanyang thermal na ticket, na paper, na kaya mag-read pa rin doon sa ipiprint na mga numbers up to 1 year, readable pa rin, pati yung serial number. Kasi ang sinasabi ni Ma'am Salvador, up to 7 months lang pala, paano kung yung tao nagbakasyon? Okay? O nakalimutan niya yung ticket na niya, and then all of a sudden alam niya, nanalo nga pala ako. And then, pumunta sa PCS, kinuha niya sa kanyang, baon. Hoy, teka muna, bakit faded na ito? Tropical, sabi mo nga, mainit kasi dito. O kahit na sabi natin, nilagay lang dyan somewhere. Tropical, mainit. Sabi mo, faded na. Pumunta sa PCS o claim, hindi na ma-read dahil sa thermal palpa. Sorry na. So, ang solusyon niya, yung provider ninyo, cancelin natin yung kontrata, kung sino man yan. Kuha tayo ng provider na kayang panindigan yung sinasabi natin up to 1 year. Mr. Robles, yes,
So,
sir.
Chair, if you would recall, yung nakaplansya ng ticket, unreadable din yun, pareho rin yun. Pero unreadable po, pero ang sinasabi ko, pwede po yata sa Supreme Court yung secondary evidence. So, kung, I'm just saying, kasi normally po ang experience
No,
namin,
that's not, Mr. Chairman, that's not the explanation that we're after na pwede kang magkorte. Ang gusto natin sabihin, tama kayo na sa law, 1 year you have to claim.
Yes, okay.
Therefore, your system must allow a valid ticket up to more than a year.
we agree, Your Honor,
Hindi pwedeng faded na siya by 7 to 8 months. And kasi the winner has the right to time when he or she will claim the jackpot. Karapatan niya yun.
Yes, Your
Up to
Honor.
1 year.
Yes,
Huwag
sir.
naman it's the ticket itself nagsasabi, wala ka na kasi nagpe-paid na ako. Actually, Mr. Chairman, this is more than just paper. Actually, sa matching din ng printer ng machine. The ink being used in that, what is the printing mechanism in the machine and the ink being used matching with the paper that they are procuring, Mr. Chairman. So, wag natin sabihin na anyway, you have a remedy, you can go to court. Hindi. Your system must comply with the basic minimum requirement of the law.
I agree, Your Honor. And
Make sure.
Yeah, I agree, I think, but we have to test that really.
Question. If I win today sa draw, when is my last day? How do you compute the 1 year? Sige, sabihin niyo muna sa akin. January 25, 2024, when is my last day to claim? Okay, so kung January 25 ngayon, 2024, can you show me a January 26, 2023 ticket na klaro pa? Sige nga. Dapat ng January 26, 2023 na ticket klaro pa ngayong araw. Sige, pakita nyo nga.
So lumilitaw, Senator Coco, in AGM Casas, hindi lamang low quality yung printer, kundi maging yung ink, ay hindi lang yung thermal paper, ang low quality, kundi maging yung ink, pati yung printer.
Mr. Chairman, wala pong ink yung thermal ticket natin.
Hindi, yung printer, siyempre,
Yung printer, it's yung data being printed through thermal coating, through thermal heat.
thermal heat, kaya nagkakaroon ng number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thermal talagang problema.
Yes, sir. We have technical specifications yung sinusunod sa bidding, and yung materials before we accept is being validated na aming.
Pero have you tested it? Kasi ang sinasabi, 6 to 7 months, faded na. Dapat na-test nyo muna. Dapat they have to show proof na yung thermal nila kayang protektahan yung integrity ng mga numero
Yes,
na
sir.
print doon. Pati mga serial number and all the information that were there na up to 1 year, nandun pa rin yun.
Yes,
So
sir.
dapat ang na-insure ninyo bago kayo tumanggap ng ano. Bago
Yes, sir.
kayo tumanggap ng bidder na yun, kung sino man yung nag-bid. At pinanalo ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Kung sino man yung Ponce Pilatong yun.
Nag-undergo yan, sir, ng quality testing.
Yun nga po, sir, nag-ano dito sir ko nga ng quality. Yes. Quality based on your assessment. Your assessment. Okay? But your assessment, maybe for you, was good. But it wasn't good enough, the result.
Did you actually test, Mr. Chairman, Mr. GM, did you actually test your the printing system that although wala nga ink, let's say heat printing system and then the thermal paper, magmamatch pa rin dapat yun. Did you actually test it na alam nyo na the tickets will last for more than a year?
Yes, sir. Sinasubject namin sa
Yeah, do you have proof that you tested
Yes, sir.
it?
We have reports namin.
Okay.
Quality.
So how will you test na it will last for more than a year? Did you really, did you prolong your bidding system to more than a year?
They have what they call aging system, aging test on the ticket.
Sinabmit nila sa inyo.
Yes, sir.
So, may third-party laboratory na nag-certify na totoo nangyari ito? Kasi ang real test nito is to print the ticket and wait for 1 year. Pero syempre, hindi nyo ginawa yun dahil procure kayo eh. Mabilisan yan eh. So, I'm sure, kung required sa specs ninyo yan, meron silang claim that it will last for more than a year and must be certified maybe by a lab. Hindi pwedeng salita lang nila. Tama o mali?
Yes, sir.
Hindi, kaya nga, did you require that? Pag hiningi namin ng proof in writing, kaya nyo submit?
The testing is being done by our technical working group.
Hindi, kaya nga, you waited for a year. Did you wait for a year sa lahat ng mga interested parties na paprint kayo ng ticket? Lagay dyan, hintayin natin 1 taon, tignan natin kung magpe-fade o hindi.
Sir, from what I know, this team also holds yung records of tickets which are more than a year po. And we will ask them to provide.
Kasi claim, Mr. Chairman, akin palagay, siyempre, as a specs yun, the tickets that your system will generate must last for at least a year, more than a year, para makaklaim nga si winner, yun ang nasa law eh. So therefore, bidding yan, I'm sure hindi naman nila pinaprint and then hinintay na 1 taon. So there must have been a claim there na pinaniwalaan nila yung winner, that's why greenlight nila yung kontrata doon. But is it a mere claim or is it a laboratory confirmed claim?
It's sa office po, sir. Our staff conducted the testing.
Yeah, you waited for a year? Maniwala ko, hindi ako maniwala na you waited for a year para makita nyo kung nagpe-paid o hindi. Imposible.
Meron, sir, silang record ng ano.
Hindi kaya nga, nagbibidding nga kayo, requirement ninyo yun. Ba't talaga pinaprint ninyo lahat ng interested parties and then naghintay kayo ng 1 taon, tinignan nyo kung sino nagko-comply? Imposible yun, imposible nyo ginawa yun. Can you tell us what you did para mag-comply dun sa 1 year validity ng ticket produced by the system? Yes, sir.
Minority Leader, AGM Casas gusto ko may dagdag, dapat doon sa testing nyo, lab testing, na sa testing na yun, kayang panindigan ng papel na yun, yung integrity ng thermal paper na yun, na until up to 1 year. Hindi mo naman pwede kasing hintayin. 12 months, ang tagal yun. So, lab, sa pamagitan ng lab test, kung ano klaseng laboratory test, di ba, Mr. Chair, na magpo-prove na kaya nitong panindigan yung integrity ng ticket at yung mga information nandun. Kaya we need, wala eh. We need a third party. Siyempre, pag tinanong natin yung contractor, hindi sir, maganda itong thermal namin. It passed ISO, etc., etc., all the standards, etc., langit at lupa, sasabihin nun. So we need an independent body na makukonsulta natin na magsasabi whether tama ba, sumunod ba siya sa procedure.
Mr. Chairman, I'm holding a ticket now dated June 27, 2022. The other one, December 2022. And this proves that the data is still readable and we can still validate this using our terminal. Yes, sir.
Okay. And that was under the time of sino yung ating thermal paper provider? Is that the
I think this is during the time of Apo.
Apo production?
Yes,
Apo
sir.
production yan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Patingin. Pasan yan kasi sa amin. Mga non-winning tickets naman yan, kaya don't worry.
But this ticket is from previous contractor. Okay, we're talking about the new contractor. Yan ang nireklamo. Napalpak yung thermal paper.
Wala pa, sir.
Huh?
We're about to distribute sa Lotto outlets nationwide, Mr. Chairman.
So in short, Mr. Chair, yan pa rin yun. That's still the same contractor.
Still the same contractor.
Kaya I think kailangan din ipapakita niya rin yung ticket niyang sinasabi for interest of fair play. Pakita niya rin.
The existence of 3 tickets, Mr. Chairman, na more than a year old is good news. Pero it doesn't mean na hindi nga nangyayari na merong hindi nagpipaid in 7 to 8 months. So you have to really make sure na gano'n na mangyari. Kahit random checking, dapat yung quality kasi siyempre, bulto to na delivery. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung quality ng mga dinideliver eh. Kaya dapat yung mga feedback na ganyan, you take into account. And the question is, why are you changing pala Apo? Why did you change Apo, GM? Sa supplying of the paper?
I think that would be opening it to more competition and to lower the price kasi with Apple they have
Umabot na tayo sa end ng life of the contract.
yeah, opo.
So may termination period and then expiry date tapos open ulit ng bidding.
Opo.
So,
And it was cheaper naman po, turned out cheap.
so okay, dito sa DTM, how do you make sure that the claim of the DTM that their tickets will last for 1 year? Ano? Yan, sige, ito yung maganda. Ano yung processes na ginawa nyo?
Actually, Mr. Chair, as the end user is the gaming sector, and on the part of the PAC, so we have the technical specifications. We improve the technical specifications. For this paper, we have imposed the so-called coated ticket that will cover the print. So it says a specific item, part of the technical specs under wind direction. This is an improvement from the previous technical specs of the end user. And the winner has complied with this. In addition, we may inform that this is the first time that we also included the requirement of ISO certification as regards the production process of the printer, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Maybe Mr. Senate Minority, sa sunod na hearing, patawag na natin. Okay, so that will be on that topic. Now, nandito yung OGCC, si Attorney Katrina Reyes. Are you ready to answer my questions? Because the last time you sent your representative here, your attorney, corporate lawyer of OGCC, he wasn't able to answer some of my questions, my basic questions. Maybe that's why you're here, because you're an expert in your policy and procedures. Am I right or am I right?
You're correct, Your Honor.
Very good. Now, yung sa issue ng Pacific Online na pinayagan ng PCSO na mag-test run, lahat ng government entity that would enter into agreement, any entity that would enter into agreement sa ating government, tulad ng Pacific Online, PCSO should get a permission, number one, from the Office of the President, right?
Correct, Your Honor.
Number two, doon sa kontrata between Pacific Online and PCSO na binanggit doon na 14% commission sa test run, ang inyong opinion doon, hindi dapat. Wala dapat 14% commission dahil test run yan, except pag-collect noong mga ginastos nila while doing the test run. Right?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And then, number three, dapat ang test run ay maglalas lamang ng 6 months. Pero, ang ginawa ng PCSO is pinayagan sa contract is 1 year. Which is, again, mali.
Your Honor, in that instance, I would have to qualify the requirement, the wisdom behind our previous opinions on the 6 month period
Previous opinion. When you say previous opinion, yung dati
opinion
mga
of 70,
nakaupo.
Your Honor. Yes, is that the 6 month period would be dependent on prudent. However, we cannot discount the fact that the Board of Directors of PCSO has the discretion to determine because they have the expertise or the technical know-how on how.
So they are given the discretion to extend this from 6 months from previous opinion, kung sino man yung mga nakaupo sa inyo, kasi mas meron silang technical know-how, pwede na extend to 1 year. So walang violation dito. Is that what you're saying now, Attorney Katrina?
Yes, Your Honor, because there is no explicit provision under the law or any rule or regulation prohibiting the PCSO from stating that or ascertaining the necessity of extending at
Okay, sige. Yun yung mga nakaupo sa inyo, and then ngayon, ipinapasa nyo na dun sa expertise ng PCSO kung yung ba ay more than 6 months. So pwede siya tutusin yung up to 1 year testing. Now, doon natin sa 14% commission, sabi mo, hindi dapat tumanggap.
Correct, Your Honor. As officially stated by the Office of the Government Counsel in its Contract Review 24.
Para sa iba pang karagdagang mga balita ng Senyor Buzz, ay mag-comment lamang po, mag-like at mag-share sa video na ito, at huwag po nating kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aming channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.